Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, nice to hear that you are fine. Are you ready?
That
Okay, what's your name?
my name
Is
is
Ben.
Ben.
Okay, Ben, look at the monitor. Let's start. This will be your midterm video interview in Phonics 1A. Okay, do your best. Let's start. Now, please identify the following letters. What is it?
A B C D E F G H I J K L.
Very good. How about numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now, how about animals? What is it?
And beer, bird, cat, duck, duck, elephant, fish, gorilla, goose, horse, iguana,
Insect.
insect, kangaroo, lion,
Very good. How about food?
banana, lemon, hot dog, fruit, ram, egg, apple,
How about things?
pear, cup, cow, fan, fox,
Hat.
hat, cow, igloo,
Key.
key, kite,
Lamp.
lamp, ink.
Good job. That's the end of your speaking.